Hey guys, so I am back. This week I wanted to cover hats. So I have a hat on today. It's very humid and I've had trouble keeping my hair smoothed down. So I got up this morning and I was like, okay, today is a hat day. And then I thought we could go over the Shannon Slouchy hat, and then I will even try it on. I know you might have to look away at some point, but I just wanted to show you the details on the hat really quick, and then I will try it on and let you see what it looks like on. So this is done in 100% merino wool, and merino wool is pretty soft. It's got some give to it, so it's flexible. This hat is the Shannon Slouchy hat pattern that's available on the website. Comes with a kit. I also do some of these as custom orders. Right now I have one that I'm working on for Kayla, and this is how far we are so far into her hat. It's going to be very, very beautiful, and then such a great color to go with everything. So without further ado, you get to see my hat hair and try on this hat. So my favorite thing about slouchy hats is how flexible they are. So when it's cold, they're great to wear, but also when you're having a weird hair day and you just need to cover it up. And then it always looks cute. Like no matter how bad your hair's looking, it just always looks cute. So totally love this hat. The back of it is, this one I didn't put a whole lot of slouch into, but you can see it's got enough slouch to where you can wear it, you know, just with that little bit of slouch, or you can make it with more slouch. So you would just add some rows right into this section here. But I love this hat. It goes with everything. This is in the color Hepburn. So if you would like a custom order, let me know. I think right now we're about 3 to 4 weeks out on custom orders. There is a spot on the website for custom orders, and it should show all the colors that we have available at the moment. If you don't see a color that you want, please message me and I will see what I can do about getting you the color that you want. So all of it's on the website at www.thefiberhouseco.com. Have a great Monday.